Greetings, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Incantus Phylacterium, the place where I keep my words. YouTube is racist, is that the correct terminology? I don't have much to say in this episode, but to just tell a brief story. I released a new video today. 10 a.m. this morning was supposed to go live. It was about a 3-hour chunk of a combined series of audio lectures by Imam Anwar al-Awlaki on dreams and dream interpretation, specifically from an Islamic perspective, straight out of the Quran, citing examples, giving the what he describes as the 17 rules for proper Muslim dream interpretation. That's my thing. That's what I do. I'm going to every possible resource that's out there. I'm not going to leave one out because it's Buddhist. I'm not going to leave one out because it's Muslim. I'm not going to leave one out because it's Christian. My second book, The Mystery of Dreams, specifically dream interpretation from a Christian perspective. I released a video on that. There was no problem with it. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to show you what happened. I have buttons to push here, I believe. There we go. I submitted an appeal. This is the Dreams and Dream Interpretation video that was supposed to be under the DreamWizard audiobooks. And you can see here they said violent criminal organizations. I mean, the joke suggests itself. Where? In their dreams? Is YouTube having a nightmare? Would they let me help them understand it? But let's look at this here. So, I believe exceptions, even if there were, but there isn't. There's just no content of that kind in this video. No more than you would find in the Bible. Sure, you can say the Bible's violent because, yeah, there's examples of genocides and murder and all kinds of crazy shit happens in the Bible. Not promoting a criminal organization, not glorifying violence. Nothing, needless to say, nothing in this video glorifies violence or endorses, supports in any way any criminal organization. I don't get it. But so I wrote that back to him. Please explain your appeal. This is a lecture series on dream interpretation from an Islamic perspective. There is no violence or connection to any criminal organization. Please reinstate. I thought, it might take a day or two. Let me turn this off. And they would come back and say, yeah, oops, we don't know what happened, algorithm, yada, yada. And they would put it back up. But apparently that did not happen. They sent me almost immediately. I mean, this happened this morning. Here we are on Saturday, and within hours, bam, I've got a new email, and they say, "Hey, we have reviewed the appeal, and we have confirmed that it does violate our violent criminal organizations policy. We know this is probably disappointing news." No. It's not disappointing news. It is absurd. It is incomprehensible news. It is counterfactual. It is an absurd fantasy that there's anything violent or criminal organization about this video lecture series, which is just an audio lecture series that I put into a video format. There's nothing in there violent or criminal, period. Whatsoever, in any way, shape, or form. So, back to my original question: YouTube racist because Muslim dream interpretation is not allowed because reasons. I mean, for God's sakes, people, I have no idea what is. Let me turn this off here. I have no idea what's going on here. None of this makes any sense to me. I see no connection to any even remotely possible violation in any way, shape, or form. I don't get it. Hey, tell me in the comments, am I missing something? Did you listen to the whole thing? And there's I sent them on Twitter. I didn't set it up to show you that. I usually don't do anything for these videos. It's just me talking, but I reached out on Twitter. I reached out to the National, American Islamic Council, the ADL, the ACLU, the Freedom or Fairness, FAIR, whatever those folks are. I don't script any of this stuff. I should. didn't even take notes this time. I'm just kind of ranting because I'm pissed. If it made sense, if I made a mistake in some way, mea culpa. I didn't. None of this makes any sense. I don't get it at all. This video I was watching earlier because I think it's a hilarious song. It says it's a kind of a techno version of a Middle Eastern flair dance music song, and it's Allahu Akbar, and it's a bunch of people blowing themselves up, and it's just a funny little 2-minute video that's up on YouTube with 1 million views, and I can't have this here talking about just dream interpretation from an Islamic perspective with no content that is violent, with no content that supports a criminal organization. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. You tell me. If you please, if you would, get on Twitter and boost my signal. Complain about this. Tell people this is some bullshit, and I don't get it. And normally I'm pretty zen with things. I'm zen if I make a mistake, and I'm very apologetic, and I'll fix it if I can. But God damn it, if being treated unfairly by no absurd standard, contrary to fact, it pisses me the fuck off. So here's my rant, and I'm going to stop before I start saying even more offensive things. So, yeah, YouTube, fuck you.